KMRSounds.
Some just say you too's hard to clean round people, and I'm just a soul who always help them though they're evil. Some just say you too's hard to clean round people. The kind of love, the kind of loyalty we show. Most people with the road, me not deserve it, I me know. But me sure in myself, a positivity to me soul. But before you reap, dog, the trees them have to grow. Are the ups and the downs make the rivers them a flow. So me not gonna stop my prayer, still just open up a door. Everything is just a matter of time. Every struggle is a matter of mine. So the only thing me need is me life. From me got it, everything will be fine. But I'm just a youth who's hard to clean round people. I'm just a soul who always help all when them evil. I'm just a youth who's hard to clean. Youth who's hard to clean.
Them only love what you can do for them not like you. The same buckle you a fight, me a fight too. Yes, I one little girl and them clown out. Yeah, man, I them weakness, no doubt. Sometimes them not gonna know your value until it's too late. But me not stop the good cause me too great. Just have to learn how to deal with two-face. Take everything with a smile, man, a screw face. Feed them and get them a knife and turn your back them still.
I'm just a soul who always help all when them evil. Cause I'm just a youth who's hard to clean. Youth who's hard to clean. I'm just a youth who's hard to clean on people.
Yo, Chaps, I'm just saying I to them one leak out. I'm on that trying to give them left you weak out. Then them say you're lying when you speak out. Careful who you give your heart, cause it will bleed out.
Why the ones I'm in love hurt me the deepest. It's like I only save the tears and for the realest. But I'm always to my kindness and my weakness. Still me always try to help them when them need help. I'm just a youth who's hard to clean people. And I'm just a soul who always help all when them evil. I'm just a youth who's hard to clean. Youth who's hard to clean. I'm just a youth who's hard to clean people. I'm just a youth who's hard to clean.